Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify K-1 distributions and basis using QuickBooks step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and navigate to your company file. Locate the Reports menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Filter Reports to access financial summaries. Choose Partnership Reports to find K-1 distribution information. Select the report labeled Schedule K-1. Review the displayed data for each partner's share of income, deductions, and credits. Next, open the Chart of Accounts from the left-hand navigation pane. Identify the accounts related to K-1 distributions, typically marked under Equity or Owner's Draw. Click on the specific account to view transaction details. Check each transaction to ensure that distributions align with the K-1 report. Take note of any discrepancies or irregularities you might find. Visit the home page and select Banking to verify cash distribution transactions. Compare these transactions with the K-1 data for accuracy. Now, to calculate the basis, head over to the Reports menu again. This time, select Accountant and Taxes and find the basis report. Generate the report for the relevant partner. Review the calculations for contributions, distributions, and any other adjustments made. Cross-reference the basis report with the K-1 information for consistency. If adjustments are required, return to the relevant accounts to make corrections. Once everything matches up, it's advisable to print or export these reports for your records. Finally, confirm that all stakeholders are informed of the K-1 distributions and any changes to basis. This completes the verification process for K-1 distributions and basis using QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.